Hi, my name is Ashley Oberholzer. I'm 30 years of age and I'm British. I'd have to say my favorite thing about being captain on board Lady Amanda is being able to go look for little hidden spots to drop anchor and try and keep surprising the guests. I'd have to say what sets her apart from every other charter boat is the big water sports selection that we have on board. Don't think there's a boat for rent that has as many toys as we have, and the fact that she's quite a fast boat. So our cruising speed is 21, 22 knots. So you get from A to B pretty fast, and then have fun all day on the toys. I'm a big fan of Sardinia. Sardinia is quite beautiful. It's got some incredible places to drop anchor and play. But if I actually had the choice to take the boat somewhere, it would probably be Greece, just because I haven't spent enough time there. There's not many requested surprising anymore, but we did end up following a pod of dolphins for quite a few hours off course, off our itinerary, which was quite interesting. It's pretty hard to choose one particular favorite toy because we have so many and they're all so different. I think my favorite toy is probably the wake skate because it feels like surfing. But now we have the jet surf. Maybe it'll change. I suppose for the guests though, the favorite toy, the one that comes up the most, is probably the sea bob. The sea bob is just great for everyone, and you just give that to someone and they're busy for hours, having endless amount of fun. I think every crew member has their time to shine, depending on what activities are happening. Most memorable charter scenario, we've had a few. I think filming the fireworks with the drone in Cannes, in the Bay of Cannes, was incredible, and we've got some footage of that. Following a pod of 50 dolphins, or coming back on the last day of a charter, we crossed paths with a whale, some turtles, a shark. Canadair flew by in front of the boat. It was quite spectacular. My proudest moment on board Lady Amanda is probably at the end of every season when I know that we've put in the maximum effort.